Today's focus is on the consent and communication, two core principles every first aider must understand and apply. Before providing first aid to conscious casualty, you must gain the consent, and this can be verbal or indicated by a nod or a gesture. If the person refuses help, you cannot proceed unless they become unconscious or incapacitated. So when a casualty is unresponsive and unable to provide consent, UK law allows you to assume implied consent. In these situations, you're legally permitted to act in their best interests to save a life. Communication is equally important. Speak clearly and calmly, reassure the casualty, explain what you're doing, and maintain eye contact. This builds trust and helps to reduce anxiety. Good communication also means listening, being attentive to their needs, discomfort, or concerns. Understanding this helps to ensure first aid is delivered safely and effectively.